Hello, this is Mr. Tornegard giving you a lesson on the introductory tutorials to learn AutoCAD two-dimensionally for Architecture 1. This first lesson is just simply an overview of how to use these video tutorials, where you can find them, and how they're set up. These tutorials are designed to teach you the basics of AutoCAD with the draw and modify commands, so that you'll come to a competent level where you can successfully design your dream home using AutoCAD. There's two versions of these tutorials. There's the video version that you're watching now, and then there's also a paper version that has things described with screenshots and text. Depending on your learning preference and style, you can use either one. In this first tutorial, I'm going to show you where the paper copies are located. Obviously, you found the video tutorial if you're watching it right now. If you simply want to watch or view the paper tutorials, or in a PDF format on the shared drive, if you pull up a My Documents or My Computer window, if you go to the shared drive and the high school folder, scroll down to the Tornegard folder, where all the materials for this class are located other than my website. Click that, go to Architecture 1 and AutoCAD Lessons. You'll find 12 lessons in order here on the shared drive. If you open up these lessons, you'll find that these, like I said before, are in PDF format, and there's written directions along with screenshots demonstrating how to use AutoCAD in a written format. Again, the tutorials that you're watching right now mirror these tutorials, or basically follow these. So what you learn in the video is essentially the same thing you're learning from the paper tutorials. It just depends on whether you prefer watching a video or reading directions. These tutorials, I would ask that you don't print them. In fact, I think they're restricted, so you can't print. Simply, you can split your screen by dragging it to one side or the other, such as this, and you can split the screen and have AutoCAD on one side and the directions on the other, to make it easier just to see them instead of having to flip back and forth from screen to screen. So for now, I'm going to close these out, and this is where we're going to get started for the tutorials. Again, if you prefer to use those, they're on the shared drive at the location I just showed you. To get started in AutoCAD with these tutorials, you're going to have to open AutoCAD to start. The tutorials can be found on the Start menu under All Programs and on the Autodesk folder here. And the program we're going to be using for this class is AutoCAD 2012 English, and you open that and click on the AutoCAD 2012. Many of you may also have a shortcut on your desktop, and that will open the programs just as well. Once you open the program, it's going to look slightly different than this. You'll notice that the toolbars in the view that I have set up right now is what's called the AutoCAD Classic setup. This is just a different layout than when you first open it up. To change the layout, you can use any layout you want, but in order to change the layout to how the videos are set up, if you click on the drop-down menu here at the top, you can scroll down to AutoCAD Classic, and it'll change the menu or the interface to look like this. I suggest you start with this look, and if you decide you want to use a different one, such as the drafting and annotation, this is set up more like a Office 2010 or newer view, which is organized with ribbon panels and tool panels instead. I prefer the traditional layout, AutoCAD Classic, to begin with. This layout kind of has the draw toolbar here on the left hand side, which has your basic draw commands such as lines, polygons, and circles and whatnot. And on the right hand side, you have your modify toolbars with your erase and rotate, move commands, and so on and so forth. So again, you can switch back and forth anytime. It just depends on your preference. The tutorials that are set up, the PDF tutorials, follow this AutoCAD Classic layout. So one of the first steps, if you were to follow those, shows you how to switch to AutoCAD Classic. Again, that's based on your own preference. This will be the end of this tutorial. The next tutorial will be on the learning the user interface. Thank you for watching.